Hi, I'm Theo, and here are some tips if you print with lightweight PLA. Well, lightweight PLA is a type of PLA that has a reaction agent in it, so depending on the temperature it foams up. At the moment I'm printing with 240 degrees Celsius, and that makes it foam up by about 50%. So I do only need to print with half the amount of filament that I would normally use for this print. It always foams up, so even with good retraction settings you will always have a little bit of extra foam oozing out, and that stuff is easy to clean up. So if the print's finished, you just have to lightly pull on it and you will have a clean finished surface. Let's take a closer look on the overhangs. They print exceptionally well, and let's look at the bridging. Well, while it foams up it droops down a little bit, but that's only for about 4 or 5 millimeters, and this stuff is easy to remove. So even bridging can be done successfully with lightweight PLA. If you are worried that tiny parts that have not a lot of surface could shear off while printing, I print with a brim, and if I want to secure that I just use blue tape after the first 10 layers or so are printed to glue the brim down. That's very easy to remove, doesn't damage the glass surface, and it holds it down even if the surfaces touching the build plates are very tiny. That's it for now. Bye bye.